Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Michael, your host. Let me ask you something. Do you have any bad habits that you want to change? Or maybe you are trying to build some good habits but finding it difficult?
Hi everyone, I'm Sophia. And don't worry, you are not alone. We all have some bad habits, and we all want to improve ourselves.
That's true. Sometimes we know what is right, but still we follow the wrong habits.
Yes, and sometimes even small good habits can completely change our life.
So, Sophia, what are we going to talk about today?
Well, Michael, today's topic is very interesting and useful. Today, we are going to talk about bad habits versus good habits.
That sounds amazing, because this is something everyone can relate to.
Exactly. In today's video, we will have a small debate. We will talk about bad habits, good habits, and how we can improve ourselves step by step.
And along with that, you will also learn how to talk about your habits in English.
Yes, we will use simple and easy sentences so that you can understand and speak easily.
So make sure you watch this video till the end, because every part will help you learn something new.
And don't forget to repeat after us, because practice is the key to fluency.
Now, before we start,
If you are new here,
don't forget to subscribe to the English Cafe and press the bell icon.
because on this channel, we help you learn English in a very simple and practical way.
With real-life conversations and daily practice, you can improve your English faster.
So, are you ready to improve your English and your habits?
Let's get started. So, Sophia, let's make this more real. Do you think habits are different in different countries?
Yes, definitely. For example, in countries like the USA, many people follow very strict routines.
That's true. I have seen that many people in the USA wake up early, go to the gym, and plan their day.
Yes, fitness is a very common good habit there.
But at the same time, they also have some bad habits, right?
Of course. For example, eating a lot of fast food is very common.
Yes, fast food is quick and tasty, but not healthy.
Now, let's talk about our daily environment. In our area, what are some common bad habits?
I think one common bad habit is spending too much time on the phone.
Yes, especially scrolling social media for hours.
And another one is sleeping very late at night.
Exactly. People watch videos or use their phones till late night.
Why do you think people develop these habits?
Because they are easy and give instant enjoyment.
That's true. Watching short videos feels fun, but it wastes time.
And slowly, it becomes a daily habit.
Let's take a real example. Imagine a student.
Okay.
He plans to study at night, but instead, he starts using his phone.
Yes, and then just 10 minutes becomes 2 hours.
Exactly. And then he sleeps late and wakes up late.
So one bad habit creates another bad habit.
That's a chain reaction.
Yes, habits are connected.
Now, let's talk about good habits in real life.
Sure. For example, some people go for a morning walk every day.
Yes, and some people read books in the morning.
Also, many successful people write their daily goals.
That's a powerful habit.
Let's take another example. Imagine two friends.
Okay,
One wakes up early, exercises, and plans his day.
and the other wakes up late and wastes time on the phone.
After a few months, their lives will be very different.
Yes, one will grow and the other will struggle.
So, habits decide our future slowly.
Exactly. Not in one day, but over time.
Yes, not in one day, but over time.
Michael, what about working people?
Good question. Some people go to work on time, complete tasks, and stay focused.
That's a good habit.
But some people delay work and get distracted easily.
Yes, and that affects their performance.
Let's talk about how habits form in our environment.
Environment plays a big role.
For example,
For example, if your friends use phones all the time, you will do the same.
that's true. We copy people around us.
So, if you want good habits, choose a good environment.
Or create your own environment.
Yes, like keeping books near you instead of your phone.
Now, let's talk about how to break bad habits with a real example.
Okay,
If someone uses their phone too much, what can they do?
they can fix a time limit.
Like using the phone only for 1 hour?
Yes, and keep the phone away while studying.
And what can they do instead?
They can read, exercise, or practice English.
That's a smart replacement.
Let's talk about consistency with a real example.
Okay,
If someone goes to the gym for one day, nothing changes.
right.
But if they go regularly for 30 days,
Then they start seeing results.
so consistency creates results.
And results create motivation.
Michael, what is one simple habit everyone can start today?
I think waking up just a little earlier.
Yes, even 15 minutes earlier can help.
You can use that time to plan your day.
Another simple habit is reducing screen time.
Yes, that can save a lot of time.
And one more habit, daily English practice.
Of course, even speaking for 10 minutes daily helps.
So, in the end, what is the main idea?
Your daily habits create your future life.
Small actions, repeated daily, create big changes.
So don't wait for a big moment,
Start with small steps today.
because your future depends on your habits.
Good habits or bad habits, the choice is yours.
All right, everyone, we are back again. Today, we talked about something very important: bad habits and good habits.
And I hope now you clearly understand that habits are not just small actions, they actually decide your future.
Yes, Michael, because your daily habits create your personality. If you repeat good habits every day, your life slowly becomes better.
But if you repeat bad habits, it becomes harder to grow and improve.
That's why in today's episode, we learned one important thing. Don't try to change everything in one day. Start small.
Exactly. Wake up a little earlier, drink more water, read for just 10 minutes, or reduce one bad habit step by step. Small habits equal big results over time.
And the most important thing is consistency. Even if you are slow, don't stop.
Because success is not about being perfect, it's about being consistent every single day.
Now, I want to ask you something. What habit are you trying to improve right now?
Write your answer in the comments. We really want to know.
And friends, if you are learning English with us for the first time,
Don't forget to subscribe to the English Cafe,
and press the bell icon,
because every day we bring you real-life conversations.
so you can speak English naturally, confidently, and fluently.
And also, don't forget to share this video with your friends who are also trying to improve their English or habits.
Because learning becomes easier when we grow together.
Now, before we end this video, we have a small question for you.
What topic should we make the next video on?
Should it be daily routine, job interview, travel conversation, or something else?
Tell us in the comments below. We read every comment.
And we will pick your ideas for the next episode.
Thank you so much for watching this video.
Keep practicing your English every day.
Keep improving your habits.
And keep believing in yourself.
We'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, stay consistent, stay positive, and keep learning with the English Cafe.